Hello, grade 3. Welcome to another read aloud, and it's about bullying. That means when someone hurting someone's feelings or someone hurting by physically. The name of the book is Stop Picking on Me. A first look at bullying. When someone hurts someone's feeling for the color of skin, for the dress, for the way of talking. Let's see what this book is going to give you the information. Some of these children are bullies. Can you tell which one? Bullies look just like everyone else, but they don't act like everyone else. Bullies enjoy hurting other people and making them do what they say. They have to do what others are going to say. The only way they know how to get what they want is being by cruel. Bullies don't always hurt your body, they can hurt your feelings as well. A bully can make you feel like it's your fault that they are picking on you, even though this isn't true. So, what about you? Do you know anyone who is a bully? What sort of things do they do? Do you know about them? Bullies never have a good reason for hurting other people. Often they pick on anyone they think is different from them. Who is looking different, who is having different clothes, they just make fun of them. Now look at this picture. The girl is looking different from others. Some bullies pick on people who are a different size from them or whose skin is a different color. Some bullies will even pick on you because of the clothes you are wearing. Kids who acts like a bully has probably been bullied themselves, sometimes by other children. Sometimes their parents or other adults may have been cruel to them. This is very sad, but it's never a good reason for being unkind to others. Bullies don't like themselves very much. This makes it hard for them to like other people and treat them well. The only way bullies can like themselves is it to pick on others. Doing this makes them feel more powerful. We all need to feel loved. That is why being bullies hurts so much. When you someone is bullying you, it can make you feel scared or angry, miserable or hurt. You may not want to sleep, or when you do sleep, when you may have nightmares. You may not feel like eating or going to school anymore. What about you? Everyone feels differently about being bullied. Have you ever been bullied? How did it make you feel? You don't deserve to be bullied. No one does. One of the hardest things to learn is how to deal with a bully without becoming a bully yourself. Hitting back or being cruel usually only makes the problem worse. What about you? What sort of things do you do when someone bullies you? Can you think of any different ways to deal with a bully? A good way to stop bullying is to talk to someone about it. This can be parent or a teacher or any grown up you feel comfortable with. You may not want to talk to anyone about it, but you should. All bullies help or hope that their victims won't tell on them. Keeping it to yourself lets a bully know that it's alright to go on hurting you more and more. Another way to stop bullies is to let the people who love you help. Other people's love can help you feel good about yourself and reassure you that it's not your fault if you are bullied. Bullies only pick on people they know. They can hurt. Feelings good about yourself and liking yourself is probably the best way to stop them. Also, when you feel good about yourself, you do not need to bully others to get what you want. If you are happy, you will not be a bully. That's important to remember because the fewer bullies there are in our world, the better place it will be for all of us to live in. So that was about the book on bullying. Stop picking on me. That means you should not hurt someone physically, mentally, or don't hurt the feelings also of others. It makes them very sad.